Hello everybody and happy Friday. This is another Made in the Shade Minute, and we have some custom plantation shutters in wood, stained wood from Norman on an entry door. And these are custom cut. Notice the louver and the arch at the top. They're fully adjustable, and this is invisible tilt upgrade. And so we actually did another upgrade on this, which is called split tilt. So the bottom half can be closed and I can still have the top half open. I can get some light in, but I can still have a level of privacy. And the best thing is we've got a complete look when we close them up, 100% privacy. Nobody can come by, knock on the door, and peek in your house. Still blends in perfectly with the custom wood door. And if you need to clean them, you just open the louvers, take your fingers inside and pull, and now you have the doors open and you can access your window, and then simply close them. Here are the magnets. That's Norman, the quality, the finish, and the lifetime warranty on these invisible tilt 2.5-inch louvers on a stained front entry door. And you can get those at Made in the Shade, and we are www.madeintheshadellr.com. Happy Friday, everybody. Cheers.